Okay, hey, here we go. The update on the painted brake calipers on my '07 Chevy Avalanche. LTZ. Continuation of some of the mods I got going. Painted the brake caliper gold. Put the little Chevy symbol on there. Almost matches the Chevy center cap. Real close. I also upgraded to the 22-inch snowflake replicas. Brake caliper. Here go the rear one. The rear. Now I was gonna go with the yellow gold, but I kind of changed my mind in the middle of the thought process. And now that the calipers kind of match the rear and front Chevy emblems. It's just an overall look at the Avi. Shining bright. Go back over. And they got the same color code as the front Chevy grill emblem. That's the same gold. Get a look from this side. The '07 Avalanche 22-inch snowflake replicas. Probably the only Avalanche with those on there. But now anyway. I also put the smooth color match sails with the third brake light. The Escalade third brake light. Got that on there to give it that more luxurious look. The dual exhaust. The stainless steel tips. Coming out the sides. Angling out the sides. I'm gonna have a little bit more about that later. The dual exhaust. But yeah, check it out. How y'all like it? I'm gonna look at them calipers. Until next time, I'm gonna get back at y'all.